My name is Samantha Avila, and I'm the Executive Director of Administration for ACCU. I've been in the industry for 8 years, and I have learned that throughout it, working with homeowners and board members, communication is incredibly difficult, and it's the one thing that people are looking for. And choosing ACCU as a management company is something that you won't regret because of our transparency and our communication skills. We worked very hard to make sure that we are providing you with the utmost customer service and communication that you can look for, both on the phone, via email, and through the homeowner portal. ACCU does have a phone tree, so you can reach specifically who you're trying to get to. I know that people call in and they feel like they're getting the runaround, so if you call in with a billing issue, you can choose billing and you're getting directly to the person that you need to get to. If it's a service request, you choose service request and you get directly to who you need to speak to. But also, we train all of our staff to be able to answer a majority of the questions, so it's a one-stop shop. If you call in, you get someone who should be able to help you from start to finish, so you're not being pushed around. As a community association management company, we understand the struggles that you homeowners and board members deal with on a daily basis, and it's important for us to make sure that we not only address the issue, but also resolve it for you. It's your investment, and we understand that. These are items that may seem minimal to others, but are huge to you, and we want to respect that, and we want to communicate that with you all throughout any process that you have. It may not be our responsibility to help you with that, however, we'll point you in the right direction to make sure that you're able to get it taken care of. Those are things that we work closely with the board with to make everything exactly the way that it needs to be, to make sure that you as a homeowner, you as a board member are getting exactly what you need to ensure that your investment is exactly that. Here at ACCU, we know that violations are always a touchy subject. No one likes to receive them, but as an association management company, it's our responsibility to do our due diligence to ensure that everyone within the community is adhering to the community's rules and regulations. Should anybody have questions about why they received it or what can they do to further prevent that moving forward, reaching out to us, we're happy to walk you through the process on where you can find your governing documents, exactly where it is, where it stemmed from, and how to make sure that it doesn't happen moving forward. We use a software that makes it very transparent for homeowners to go in and view exactly what the violation was in regards to. We also provide all of the documents for you to review on the back end as a homeowner, so you have full access should you ever have any questions. And it also allows you to reach out through that same ticket to us with any questions that you may have should the documents not provide it for you.